Good day, everyone. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever left a light or fan running in an empty room? Now imagine millions of people doing the same every day. The amount of energy wasted is staggering. Energy is the lifeline of our homes, transport, and industries. But here's the catch. The fuels we rely on, coal, petroleum, natural gas, are not infinite. If we continue to waste them, future generations may be left struggling. That's why we must learn to use energy judiciously, carefully, efficiently, and responsibly. The three magical words here are reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means cutting down unnecessary demand. Why keep lights on when daylight is free? Reuse means channeling waste heat, like industries using hot gases to preheat water. And recycle means saving energy indirectly. When we recycle aluminum, we avoid burning huge amounts of coal used in smelting fresh ore. Every saved joule of energy is as good as a joule of energy produced. Let's move into our homes. A simple change like replacing a 100-watt bulb with a 20-watt LED saves about 80 watts every hour. Over a year, that's hundreds of kilowatt-hours. Switching appliances off fully instead of leaving them on standby, using solar heaters for water, and maintaining refrigerators and air conditioners, these are small acts but they collectively save massive amounts of electricity. As you can see in the diagram, household actions really add up to national savings. Now, think about transport. A single car carrying one person consumes far more fuel than a bus carrying 50 passengers. Carpooling, cycling, or even walking short distances saves petrol and reduces pollution. Keeping vehicles well maintained, proper tire pressure, regular servicing, improves mileage. And in many cities, CNG and electric vehicles have already shown us cleaner alternatives. So next time you plan a trip, remember, the choice of transport is also a choice of conserving energy. Industries are the biggest energy consumers and also the biggest savers if efficiency is improved. By adopting cogeneration, using waste heat from power generation for heating, industries avoid burning extra fuel. Energy-efficient machinery, timely maintenance, and replacing fossil input with renewable alternatives are all part of the solution. Here, the cogeneration flowchart in your slide shows how one process can produce both power and heat, doubling efficiency. Let's solve a simple calculation together. Suppose you replace a 100-watt bulb with a 20-watt LED and you use it for 5 hours daily. The saving in power is 80 watts. Multiply by 5 hours, that's 400 watt-hours or 0.4 kilowatt-hours saved each day. Over a year, 0.4 times 365 equals 146 kilowatt-hours. At 5 rupee per unit, that's about 730 rupees saved annually from just one bulb. This is proof that energy conservation is not only eco-friendly, it's also economical. So, what's the big picture? Judicious use of energy is not about living in darkness or giving up comfort. It's about using energy smartly, saving where we can, switching to renewables, and making every unit count. From homes to industries, from vehicles to power plants, every step matters. Remember, conservation is the cleanest, cheapest, and most sustainable source of energy. I hope you now see how each of us holds the power to shape a better energy future. See you in the next session with another exciting concept of physics.